Bitcoin will hit $1 million, says IBM's VP of Blockchain Jesse Lund. The Vice President of Blockchain and Digital Currencies for IBM, Jesse Lund, said that he expects Bitcoin's BTC price to eventually hit $1 million. Lund made his prediction during an interview with comparison and news platform Finder.com, published on YouTube on February 20. Towards the end of the interview, Lund was asked what he expects the price of Bitcoin to be on this New Year's Eve. He answered that he thinks it is going to be higher than the current price, clarifying, "I'll go with $5,000. He then continued his prediction, adding, "I see Bitcoin at $1 million someday." Lund explained that he likes that number, given that if Bitcoin is at $1 million, then Satoshi is on value parity with the US penny. He noted that at such a value, the whole network would have over $20 trillion of liquidity. He then suggested that such liquidity could change corporate payments and high-value payments in general, concluding, "I see maybe $5,000 at the end of the year, but I see a way higher upward trajectory." During the interview, Lund also talked about IBM's collaboration with Stellar, XLM, and the use of the network's native asset in IBM's cross-border payment network, Blockchain World Wire, BWW. As previously reported, IBM uses XLM and BWW both as an intermediate currency and to pay transaction fees. Lund also revealed that the firm is considering working with various other digital assets, explaining that they believe there should be an ecosystem of a variety of digital assets that provide settlement instruments that enable these cross-border payments, and the participants in the network should be able to choose and negotiate their choices in real time. Lund went on to state, "It could be Ripple, it could be XRP even, it could be Bitcoin, but it would also probably include other instruments, like stablecoins, and even eventually soon, hopefully, central bank-issued digital currencies." Lund made a point of differentiating IBM's payment network from Ripple's RippleNet, noting that the tech giant does not rely on their own bespoke token. Oman's second-largest bank by market value, Bank Dhafar, became RippleNet's most recent member, joining to enable cross-border payments to India, as Cointelegraph recently reported. IBM brought its BWW payment network out of beta back in September 2018, after closing a partnership with Stellar in October 2017. About a week ago, major Canadian crypto exchange CoinSquare showed interest in the blockchain by acquiring Stellarx, a Stellar-based decentralized exchange. New platform converts crypto to fiat without Know Your Customer requirements. Cryptocurrency wallet MyEther Wallet, MEW, in collaboration with crypto finance firm Biddy are releasing a platform to convert cryptocurrency to fiat without Know Your Customer, KYC, requirements. MEW announced the news in a blog post published on February 20. Per the announcement, users of the MEW V5 wallet are now able to exchange up to 5,000 Swiss francs, $4,995, worth Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, to euros and Swiss francs without going through KYC requirements inside the wallet. Users can purportedly make the exchange from any part of the world. KYC procedure enable organizations to verify the identity of their customers before or during dealing with them. Businesses can assess whether their clients are involved in illegal activities like money laundering or corruption. To use so-called exit to fiat option, customers have to choose the target digital and fiat currencies in the wallet dashboard. Users will further be asked to provide some personal data, including their phone number, banking details, official name of their bank account, and the billing address needed for compliance purposes. Enhanced privacy and anonymity of cryptocurrencies have always been linked by the governments and regulators to illicit activities and the possibility of money laundering. Last month, the Cyberspace Administration of China, CAC, introduced new regulations for blockchain firms that are operating in the country. The CAC guidelines require blockchain startups to allow authorities access to stored data, and to introduce registry procedures that would require ID card or mobile numbers from its users. Moreover, they will be obliged to oversee content and censor information that is prohibited under current Chinese law. In April 2018, Amazon Technologies Incorporated received a patent for a streaming data marketplace that would permit the combining of multiple data sources, thereby enabling the real-time tracking of cryptocurrency transactions and the users involved. This would essentially lead to the de-anonymization of transactions involving Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other non-privacy cryptocurrency. Report: Major European derivatives exchange to launch cryptocurrency futures. Eurex, a Germany-based derivatives exchange operated by Deutsche Börse, is reportedly planning to launch futures contracts tied to digital assets, financial technologies-focused news outlet The Block reported on February 21. People familiar with the matter reportedly told The Block that Eurex is planning to launch futures contracts tied to such digital currencies as Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Ripple, XRP, having already had meetings with market-making companies to discuss the products. Deutsche Börse has reportedly been considering the introduction of digital currency futures since December 2017. A spokesperson for the exchange then said that we are thinking about futures, with which private investors and institutional investors can protect existing investments in Bitcoin or set for falling prices of the cybercurrency. In September 2018, Deutsche Börse established a DLT, Crypto Assets and New Market Structures unit, that would explore the disruptive potential the technology could have for financial market infrastructure, as well as the new products the exchange could develop to enhance its existing offerings. Founded in 1998, Eurex is an international derivatives exchange operated by one of the world's leading stock exchanges, Deutsche Börse. Eurex Clearing reportedly manages a collateral pool of €49 billion, $55.5 billion, and clears trades valued at €12.46 trillion each month. Last month, Deutsche Börse announced that it was making significant progress on its blockchain-based securities lending platform, the launch of which is scheduled for the first half of 2019. Per the press release from Deutsche Börse, 6 banks to date had confirmed their plans to join the securities lending platform, and have initiated their connectivity processes. Commerzbank, Siemens, and Continental complete blockchain money market pilot. German banking and financial services company Commerzbank and technology companies Continental and Siemens have jointly conducted a money market security transaction pilot using blockchain technology. Cointelegraph Auf Deutsch reported on the development on February 21. Money market securities are short-term assets that serve for financing companies and usually have a maturity of 1 year or less. Usually, the processing of a payment takes 2 days due to a clearing process. The aforementioned parties for the first time conducted a blockchain-based money market security transaction worth €100,000, $113,340, within a pilot project in January, where Continental acted as the issuer of the security. Commerzbank provided R3's Corda-based blockchain platform, while Siemens subscribed to the money market security as an investor. The blockchain-powered platform reportedly allowed the companies to improve flexibility, efficiency and transparency in the deal. Speaking about other benefits of the transaction, Peter Rathjeb, corporate treasurer at Siemens, said in a February 21 press release. The significantly shorter throughput times and faster time to market show clear advantages of this technology, blockchain. Key challenges include security and performance issues, as well as legal issues such as the need to create a consistent European standard and understanding of the law on blockchain-based transactions. In late 2018, Commerzbank in collaboration with French corporate and investment bank Natixis, and Dutch financial services firm Rabobank completed a live €100,000, $113,340, commercial paper transaction on the Corda platform. Commerzbank developed the pilot framework, software and distributed ledger, DLT, network for the trade, and instructions on regulatory implications. Previously, Siemens joined a scalable blockchain platform, the Energy Web Foundation, EWF, to promote the use of decentralized technologies in the energy sector. Siemens officials reportedly argued that blockchain technology will help increase interoperability in the area, linking consumers with energy producers and network operators. Latin America's largest investment bank to launch its own security token. Latin America's largest investment bank Banco BTG Pactual SA is releasing its own blockchain-based security token, Bloomberg reported on February 21. The token dubbed RightBZ, which will be backed by distressed real estate assets in Brazil, will reportedly enable the bank to provide its real estate business to international investors at lower costs than with traditional means. RightBZ will be perpetual, with the initial offering period of around 90 days, while proceeds will be reinvested in the distressed portfolio. Andre Portillo, BTG's partner responsible for the project, reportedly said that the bank began exploring the technology behind cryptocurrency several years ago, and said that we thought Bitcoin, BTC, and other currencies were turning too volatile, but we saw an opportunity with this token to try something new. but also with our skin in the game. The bank reportedly expects to raise $15 million through an initial coin offering, ICO. Investors will purportedly be able to buy RightBZ via a special platform by using the Gemini dollar, GUSD, stablecoin or Ethereum, ETH. The bank reportedly specified that investors will receive periodical dividends from the recovery of the distressed assets, which will be handled by a BTG-owned company called Enforce. The investments will not be hedged. In September 2018, the largest brokerage in Brazil, Grupo XP, announced its plans to enter the crypto space by launching an exchange for Bitcoin and Ethereum called Stex. Grupo XP CEO Guilherme Benchimol reportedly said that the company was pushed into the crypto business by the popularity of cryptocurrencies among investors. 3 million Brazilians have exposure to Bitcoin, compared to only 600,000 that invest in the stock market. Earlier today, Japan's banking giant Mizuho Financial Group revealed that it will launch its own stablecoin for payments and remittance services on March 1. The coin will reportedly be managed by a dedicated mobile app, dubbed JCoinPay, using QR codes at checkout to complete retail payments, as well as fixed at a price of 1 yen, $0.01, per unit.